Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is Suman Dua and I'm a registered migration agent at Nationwide Migration and Education. If you're new here, we create weekly videos that cover every aspect of Australian migration, from student visa to permanent residency, employer sponsorships, regional migration and much more. Our channel now has over 2,000 videos packed with real information, case studies, visa strategies and policy updates. And we have helped hundreds of applicants successfully migrate to Australia. We are also active on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, where we share daily updates, client success stories and short-form videos to help keep you informed. So if you're serious about migrating to Australia, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all our socials. All the links are in the description below, and if you ever need help with your application or want personalized advice, you can book a consultation using the link in the description or call our office directly. We would love to help you. Now let's get into today's topic, Vetassess. If you're applying for a permanent skilled visa to Australia, whether it's the subclass 189, 190, 491 or 186, one of the most important steps in your visa journey is your skills assessment. A positive skills assessment is what proves to the Australian government that you are qualified and experienced in your nominated occupation. And without it, you simply can't proceed with most skilled visa applications. Each occupation has a different skills assessment body, and for a huge number of occupations, the official assessing authority is Vetassess. So who is Vetassess and what do they do? Vetassess is Australia's largest and most established skills assessing body. They have been around for more than 25 years and are approved by the Australian government to assess qualifications and work experience for migration purposes. They assess three major groups of occupations. The first one is the professional or general occupations. So these are roles like marketing specialists, HR advisors, education managers, environmental scientists, management consultants and many more. Vetassess assesses over 340 professional occupations, making it the most comprehensive authority in this space. The second one is the trade occupations. So they are also a TRA approved registered training organization for trade assessments. So if you're a chef, motor mechanic, welder, electrician, plumber or similar, Vetassess handles the skills assessment process for you under the Offshore Skills Assessment Program, also known as OSAP. They currently assess 27 trade occupations, and the process includes reviewing your documents, technical interviews, and even practical assessments depending on your pathway. And they also assess DAMA occupations. So this is where Vetassess is really expanding. Under the Designated Area Migration Agreements or DAMAs, Vetassess now assesses over 830 additional occupations across various regional areas in Australia. That's a huge increase. And it includes occupations that aren't normally on the skilled occupation list for general migration. These roles are designed to fill skill shortages in regional parts of Australia. And if you have an employer willing to sponsor you, this can be a fantastic pathway. Let's quickly walk through how the assessment works. Now for professional occupations, Vetassess will assess your educational qualifications and compare them to the Australian qualifications framework. They will evaluate your employment history to ensure it's closely related to your nominated occupation and at the right skill level. They will look at recency of work, ensuring you have worked in the occupation in the last 5 years and ideally in the last 3 years. Every occupation has specific requirements, so two people with different job titles will not go through the same criteria. That's why it's so important to apply carefully and submit a well-documented, decision-ready application. And for trade occupations, such as electricians or chefs, you'll go through a 3-step process. The first step is the documentary evidence. So this includes things like work references, pay slips, qualifications, and bank statements. The next step is the technical interview, where a qualified assessor interviews you about your work knowledge and skills. And the third step is the practical assessment. Now for licensed trades like electricians or plumbers, you'll also need to demonstrate your practical skills at an approved venue. This process helps confirm you meet the Australian standard for your trade. Next is for DAMA occupations. Now, if you have been offered a job in a DAMA region, for example, Northern Territory, Far North Queensland, or parts of Western Australia or Victoria, Vetassess will assess your experience and qualifications to ensure you're suitable for the occupation your employer wants to sponsor you for. Each DAMA region has its own occupation list and often includes concessions for English language, age, or salary thresholds. And the best part is, even if your occupation isn't on the regular skilled occupation list, it might still be eligible under the DAMA if a regional employer wants to sponsor you. At Nationwide Migration and Education, we have helped hundreds of clients get their skills assessment through Vetassess, whether it's for professional roles, trade occupations, or through DAMA sponsorships. We know exactly how to prepare your documents, how to meet the criteria for your specific occupation, and how to lodge a complete and compelling application. We can help you determine which occupation is the best fit for you, guide you in collecting the right documents, help you prepare your employment reference letters to meet Vetassess standards, handle your Vetassess application end-to-end, assist with follow-ups, priority processing, reviews, or appeals if needed. So if you're looking to apply for a skilled visa and your occupation is assessed by Vetassess, let's get your skills assessment right from the start. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful videos like this. Follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for short daily updates and client success stories. Book a consultation using the link in the description or call our office directly. We have a team of experienced migration agents who handle Vetassess every single day, and we are here to support you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions in regards to Australian migration, please get in touch with us. You can visit our website nationwidemigration.com.au and book a consultation online. If you would like to stay updated about Australian migration, please subscribe to our channel.